the allies of the president who were victims of martial law. I think maganda kung marinig natin yung boss nila because if the president listens to public opinion, meron siya mismo sa kanyang kabinete na mga biktima ng martial law. Secretary Judy, Paeng Mariano, his supposedly NCCA commissioner chairperson, si Freddy Aguilar, his song was used. Ito yung Bayan Ko, and even the Ginevasco. So, siguro maganda magsalita sila para mahikayan ng Pangulo natin na palitan yung kanyang pananaw tungkol dito. And I'm very much interested as to what Jose Maria Zison has to say about this, especially that we are supposed to begin peace talks on August 20. I hope that they make it as one of the preconditions para ituloy itong peace talks. At least to say something about the Marcos burial because nagsimula naman talaga ang kalakasan ng CPP-NPA ng panahon ni Marcos when they fought against the dictatorship.